Little things can be pretty mighty. Can you think of some foods that are little, that pack big flavor? My favorite example of that are tiny, ripe strawberries. Nothing better than eating those. You can eat strawberries on their own, or you can add them to cereal, yogurt, or even water to get that big berry flavor. My favorite breakfast is a smoothie. I'm going to show you how to make one with strawberries. Come on, let's cook. Always ask an adult helper to cook with you. First, we gather all the equipment and ingredients we need. A blender, 8 strawberries cleaned and hulled, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half a cup of vanilla yogurt, and 6 ice cubes. This recipe calls for strawberries that are cleaned and hulled. That means taking out the entire middle part. There's an easy and fun way for kids to do that. Let me show you how. Hold your strawberry, and you need just a regular straw, the kind you use for drinking. You push it up through the bottom, and push, and this entire top part will pop out. You definitely don't want that in your smoothie. With an adult's help, put all the ingredients into a blender. First our strawberries, then our yogurt, some vanilla, and some milk. Now last but not least, the part I like the best, ice cubes. Here we go. All right, let's check it out. Make sure everything is chopped up nicely for our smoothie. Looks good. Let's pour it into our glass. Now let's make it extra special with a little strawberry on the side and a pretty cool straw. Happy breakfast!